Okay, you know me, I'm Tom. Finally got this all box framed in. All 6 of these posts caulked. Looking good, looking good. There we go. Now starting to all tie in together, all the woodwork. Nice. Very nice. Here we go. Alright, so I've got to get ready to primer. Go ahead and get this all primered in. And then I'll start painting. And then I can stick my deck boards back on. Alright, well there you go. Alright, just a real quick video. Got this all box framed in. Got the stairs repaired. Got all my woodwork done. Got everything pretty much put in primer except for what I just built. And so the rest of the day is going to be spent primering and painting to match. Alright guys, out of here. You know what to do. See you on another handyman video. Tom out of here.